I'm Serge.Kilembe. Welcome and thanks for joining me on this Trading Wall Street TV US Market Weekly Report. We're only gonna focus on weekly charts and use technical analysis, supports and resistance, critical levels and price action, trend lines, channels, simple moving averages. We're gonna look for opportunities on indices, US companies and US dollar index. Let's begin with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Bullish week, we remain above the 4 weeks MA and moving towards the 80,000 points resistance level. We are in overbought region when looking at stochastic oscillator indicator. The Nasdaq. Bullish week, it seems like we're gonna fill the bearish gap and target the 4600 points level. The S&P 500. Bullish week, break above downtrend channels resistance and targeting 2100 points. Stochastic is in overbought region. We see volatility kicking in by noticing a divergence between the percentage K and D. Let's go a little bit deeper and have a look on the S&P 500 weekly sectors map. Here we notice the best performing sectors. First of all, basic materials, with mostly oil and gas companies, and then services, and finally the financial sector. The US dollar index, bearish week, with a bearish engulfing type of candle, break below the 95 mark, a critical support level, target the 92 zone region of the 104 weeks moving average. Now, let's have a look at commodities, and oil in particular. The WTI, bearish week, evening star candlestick formation at $40 resistance. We can clearly see the downtrend channel and the ABCD pattern. Now we are moving from the C point to the D point below the $20 region level. If we break below the 8 weeks moving average, then it's gonna give us a confirmation of a strong bearish sentiment for a couple of weeks. The stochastic oscillator confirms the bearish movement with a divergence, and by exiting the overbought region after a cross between the percentage K and D, that indicates a strong sell. The Brent, bearish week, also in a downtrend channel with an ABCD pattern. We look for a break below the 8 weeks moving average. Stochastic indicates a sell signal, but we remain in overbought region. We'll wait for a confirmation and the target is below the $20 mark. Most exactly $16 a barrel. Now, let's analyze gold. We are in a range since February. Inside week candle, we've rejected the 1240 level and we remain below the 4 and 8 weeks moving averages, and we probably are going back to retest the 1200 level. Wait for a confirmation as we see a convergence and a sideways move on the stochastic oscillator. And finally, let's analyze Cisco System Incorporated's stock and let's see how we can profit trading this company. On the monthly chart, we've had 2 big bullish months since the beginning of 2016 and we are heading towards $30. And as we can see, the range between $27.50 and $29 is a critical zone where the stock been held in sideways movement for months. On the weekly chart, we are bullish and targeting $29. The stochastic is in overbought region. On the daily chart, we have noticed the step stairs pattern, and since mid-February, the stochastic is in overbought region and remain bullish since then. And we've also noticed a bullish gap between $23 and $24. We know that historically this stock had the $29.30 as a multiple top zone. If we are rejected at that level and go back lower, that gap filling will be a reasonable target technically. And for this week economic calendar, on Monday we'll have a Federal Reserve speech and data release. On Tuesday, balance of trade, ISM non-manufacturing PMI. On Wednesday, FOMC. On Thursday, Janet Yellen speech. And on Friday, wholesale inventories month on month for February. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Trade smart, make money, take profits. Bye and see you next time.